Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to play a short video message from Mr. Suresh Prabhu, who was not able to join us today. Can we have the video clip, please?
My dear friend and a great social worker, and I would call him a great leader, Mr. Nani Krupani, for this great event he has organized today. Priyadarshini Academy is at the forefront of bringing new ideas to fore. Nani Krupani started this program of giving awards to top players in the world, not just in India, for excelling into very important spheres of life. When he started it, this giving award was not such a activity that has now become very common. I would say Mr. Nani Krupani is a pioneer of this idea. He is the one who did not start this idea to promote his academy, but he pioneered this idea to recognize the good talent available in the society. Because unfortunately, in the society, we don't recognize, we don't acknowledge, and we don't support the good ideas. We do not believe in putting and tapping somebody's back for the good work that he has done. As a result of which, many good work goes unrecognized, but that is only part of the story. But because it goes unrecognized, people don't get motivated to do similar work. Had it been recognized, had it been promoted, people would have even been ventured into doing better work in this field or many other fields. So Mr. Nani Krupani started this practice of calling people from globally who have done great job in their respective country, for the society, for the global good, and started recognizing them in India. I know for sure that many countries have benefited from this recognition. Many people have been motivated because of the recognition, and that has also motivated others to do better work in their respective fields. I don't know how to thank Mr. Krupani, because he is like a one-man army, always fighting for good causes. Priyadarshini Academy organized this event, that's only one in a year, on the same day, 19th September, whatever happens the same day. But he does so many programs throughout the year, in which the deprived section of society are taken care of. He goes and literally begs for these people. He goes and appeals to so many good philanthropists to support such good causes. If Mr. Krupani had not done that, the philanthropist would not know where to support, and this beneficiary of this program will always go, unfortunately, without the help. So this is a great contribution done by Mr. Nani Krupani, and I would like to put it on record my sincere appreciation of that, because I have known both Mr. Krupani as well as Priyadarshini Academy from very close quarters. I am not able to join you today because I have a very important meeting to attend in Delhi. I was in fact just arrived from Argentina and only yesterday, and travelled there from Vladivostok in Russia, then to Korea, and from Korea went to Argentina. So I must have travelled about 4 to 5 days in air just to go there and come back. And despite that I wanted to come, but now there is an Afghanistan patient who is in town, and I have been asked to spend time with him. I would really therefore congratulate all the winners. As usual, the winners are chosen with a very strict process of scrutiny, and therefore Mr. Krupani stands out in terms of not promoting his academy through the awards, but promoting people by recognizing them through the platform of academy for doing a good work. I wish to congratulate all the winners. I only wish them and hope that you will now do even more work in your respective fields, because you are now being recognized by a very prestigious organization like Priyadarshini Academy. Government of India has also benefited from it, because we can recognize such good work which otherwise would have probably gone unnoticed. We therefore have benefited from it, and we really look forward to new heroes being born today who have now become awardees, and therefore they will continue to do good work, bring name and fame to your own sphere of activity, also to Priyadarshini Academy, and also to the country and the society in which you live. So all the best to you, congratulations to you. I am sincere apologies for not coming here, but I am sure I have deprived myself the opportunity of meeting such great heroes, but you will pardon me for not being there, but accept my best wishes nonetheless. Thank you very much.